Already made your alarm groups? Now let's make them even easier to control right from your home screen. With Android 16, you can add an alarm group widget so you can switch all alarm in a group on or off with just one tap. It's perfect for managing your routine or tournament schedule. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen. Then tap widget. Scroll down and select clock. Under alarm section, choose a widget size. For example, let's select 4x1 alarm widget. Tap add to place it on the home screen. Next, tap the widget. Then select your alarm group. Tap the on-off icon on the widget to toggle all alarms in that group at once. With this widget, now you can manage your alarm group instantly. You don't need to open the clock app every time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.